Hello and welcome to our video about the 10 most expensive animals in the world. From exotic pets to rare and endangered species, these animals command top dollar due to their rarity, beauty, and unique characteristics. Join us as we explore the world of high-priced animal purchases and learn about what makes these creatures so valuable. Number 10. Toucan. Toucans are brightly colored birds that are native to Central and South America. These birds are known for their large, colorful bills, which are used to attract mates and forage for food. Toucans are highly sought after by collectors for their unique appearance, and they can sell for as much as $10,000. Number 9. Arabian Oryx. The Arabian Oryx is a species of antelope that is native to the Arabian Peninsula. These animals were once extinct in the wild but have been successfully reintroduced through conservation efforts. Arabian Oryx are highly prized by hunters for their impressive horns, and they are also popular with collectors. Due to their rarity and high demand, Arabian Oryx can sell for as much as $16,000. However, it is important to note that hunting these animals is highly regulated and, in many cases, illegal. Number 8. Hyacinth Macaw. The hyacinth macaw is the largest species of parrot in the world and is found in South America. These birds can grow up to 3.3 feet long, and their wingspan can reach up to 4 feet. Hyacinth macaws are highly intelligent and social birds, and they require a lot of attention and care. They can live up to 60 years in captivity, and due to their rarity and high demand, they can sell for as much as $20,000. Number 7. Savannah Cat. Savannah cats are another hybrid breed that is a cross between a domestic cat and a serval, a wild African cat. These cats are known for their large size, unique markings, and high intelligence. Savannah cats can grow up to 30 pounds, and they require a lot of space and attention. They can sell for as much as $20,000 due to their rarity and high demand. Number 6. Albino ball python. The albino ball python is a rare morph of the ball python, a popular pet snake. These snakes are white with yellow markings, and they are highly sought after by collectors. Albino ball pythons are not venomous and are generally docile and easy to handle. They can live up to 30 years in captivity, and due to their rarity and high demand, they can sell for as much as $25,000. Number 5. Bengal Cat. Bengal cats are a hybrid breed that is a cross between a domestic cat and an Asian leopard cat. These cats are known for their unique markings, which resemble those of a leopard. Bengal cats are highly active and intelligent, and they require a lot of attention and playtime. They can sell for as much as $25,000 due to their rarity and high demand. Number 4. Arabian Horse. Arabian horses are one of the oldest breeds of horses in the world and are known for their beauty and stamina. These horses have a distinctive dished face, high-set tail, and arched neck. Arabian horses are highly prized by equestrians for their endurance and agility, and they can sell for as much as $100,000. Number 3. White lion. White lions are a rare color mutation of African lions and are considered to be sacred in African culture. These lions are not albinos, but rather a result of a recessive gene that causes the loss of pigment. There are only a few dozen white lions in the wild, and they can be found in the Timbavati region of South Africa. Due to their rarity and cultural significance, white lions can sell for as much as $140,000. Number 2. Red Tibetan Mastiff. The red Tibetan Mastiff is a large and rare breed of dog that originated in Tibet. These dogs are known for their thick, red fur and impressive size, which can reach up to 180 pounds. Red Tibetan Mastiffs are highly prized by collectors and dog enthusiasts for their unique appearance and loyal nature. They are also known for their protective instincts, which makes them popular with those who require guard dogs. Some red Tibetan Mastiffs have sold for as much as $1.5 million, making them one of the most expensive animals in the world. However, it is important to note that the high price tag is largely due to their rarity and demand, and that responsible breeding and adoption is always encouraged over buying animals for their novelty or status. Number 1. Koi fish. Koi fish are a popular ornamental fish that originated in Japan. These fish are known for their beautiful colors and patterns, and they are highly prized by collectors. Koi fish can grow up to 3 feet long, and they require a lot of space and clean water. Some rare and exotic varieties of koi can sell for as much as $1.8 million. And there you have it, the 10 most expensive animals in the world. From the majestic Arabian horse to the playful Bengal cat, these animals represent some of the most sought-after and prized creatures on the planet. While the high price tag may seem excessive, it is important to remember that many of these animals are endangered or threatened and require careful conservation and protection. So, whether you're a collector, breeder, or simply an animal lover, we hope you've enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures and the unique value they hold. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.